Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Better Homes and Gardens Square 4-Cube Organizer. This is our tobacco oak finish and it can be found on walmart.com. Before you start, you want to check that none of your panels have any damage and that you have all of your hardware. If you have any issues, you can refer to the number on the front of the manual and we'll take care of any of those problems you have. If everything is in order, you can begin assembly. For step 1, you need 10 plastic dowel pieces, your C panel, and 2 D panels. Start by inserting 2 plastic dowels into one of the ends of a D panel. Next, insert 4 plastic dowels into the other D panel. Then insert the remaining 4 plastic dowel pieces into the C panel. For step 2, you're going to need your 2 D panels and your C panel that we just used, and now your 2 B panels. Start by attaching both of the D panels to the C panel. You first want to insert the D panel that has dowels on both ends. Next, attach this D panel to the structure. Then simply attach the 2 B panels to each side. For step 3, you need your 2 A panels, 8 screw bolts, and 8 caps. Simply attach each A panel to either side of the structure and then secure it with 4 screw bolts. After you've screwed in the 4 cam bolts, simply attach the caps over them. Repeat this process for the other side.